You ready? Yeah. Okay. Hello, ladies, and welcome to my house. I can't wait to show you what I'm packing for my little getaway to Halifax, Nova Scotia. So come on in and we'll go look. Hello, ladies, and welcome to today's Behind the Scenes. Today, welcome to my home, my lovely, sweet home that I love so very much. I moved back to St. Catharines about 5 years ago, and me and the kiddos are very cozy, and we love the little neighborhood here, and we're so happy. But I am so happy to show you what I have in my treasure box here that I'm taking away with me tonight. It's a very short trip. It's only four nights. So I guess I don't need all this stuff, but it is nice to be a little bit prepared. I'm thinking while I was packing, Lousje was 3 weeks and like her suitcase is a little bit smaller than mine. So I was like thinking, oh my goodness, how did she do it? But there's a lot of mix and matching I find too, which you'll see when I go through what I'm bringing on a longer period of time. I could just keep rotating the outfits, switching pieces that will tie in with each other. And that's why our basics are so great, our essentials, our Lousje Bean essentials. I'm wearing the pencil skirt right now and our leggings. And honestly, I could make 50 different outfits with these two pieces here. First, I'm gonna start with my first outfit. So we are leaving at about 5:30. So we will arrive around 8 o'clock and then we're gonna go out for dinner right away. So I kind of want to be ready just to go right into dinner. I don't want to change again at the hotel. And I was taught from a very young age, we traveled very often over to Holland. Both my parents' families are there. They were born and raised there, moved to Canada when they got married. So all of our family is there. So we've traveled quite a bit. And my mom was always really big on looking good while you're traveling, but being comfortable as well. So no Lululemons were allowed for me. But no jogging pants, no none of that stuff. But anyway, so I love to be comfortable, but I also do want to look good. So this is going to be my plain outfit, and actually I'm going to swoop it right into dinner because I absolutely love this outfit, and it's perfect. So I'm going to pun that. We're going with Swoop Airlines. What's this? I'm just joking. Anyways, this is why we're going. It's a bit of a last minute trip, but we found such a great deal on the flight. And I've never been out to the East Coast, so we thought, why don't we just jet out for a few days and it should be lovely. But so, okay, I have my pencil skirt on, the leggings, and ladies, I do want to say our socks. We carry Socksmith socks in the boutique. We carry the tall bamboo ones, which are amazing, and there's an array of really cute designs. We also carry these little short ones, and I can't tell you enough how much I love these. I think they're perfect with my leggings. I don't like when I have my long socks here, unless it's like dead of winter and I'm super cold, but they're really the perfect length. They fit perfect in my boots. They don't fold down here and your heels don't get caught. They're super cute. So check those out. Those are the Socksmith shorter socks that we carry. And then I have my Ozai top. This is my favorite top. I wear it all the time. I actually have a pair of jeans in there that I'll probably pull this out again during the trip and just wear it with my jeans. But it's so cozy and comfy. I love the little high-low here. I think it's very flattering. It works with the pencil skirt. It kind of gives you a little cover here, just in case. So I know with the pencil skirt, you do want it really fitted. So it just falls perfectly. It's got the dolman sleeve. I think it's very stylish and it's very cozy. And then of course I have on my Love's Pure Light. I always travel with a scarf. I find it's just your little blanket. I sometimes use it as a little pillow too. I mean, it's only an hour, couple hour flight. So but when I'm going to Europe, it's perfect. I love having. So I chose this one, the Reckless Love. This is my favorite with the zebras. To go with this because this top it says a lot, I think, this pattern. So you want something toned down, which is perfect. So, okay, here's my plain outfit. I'm gonna get there and go for dinner tonight. So, I'm a bit of a minimalist. So I feel like I did pack light. I know it looks rammed in there, but there's a surprise there for you. I have to show you after that I never travel without. But of course, I got my North Face little middies because it is gonna be cold over there. I'm also gonna show you my outerwear, which is quite fun. Me and Lousje went to Sephora the other day because I heard they have these little travel perfumes, which I love. So we went and got a few of these, which is perfect for my carry-on. Okay, so here it is, what I have in my suitcase. There's actually quite a bit of room. Me and Lousje always roll everything. She taught me that trick. We kind of figured it out years ago. But I could definitely fit a lot more in here. I kind of loosely rolled it. It's all sitting great. But I'm going to show you my day 2 outfit. It is my favorite outfit of the trip, and I will be right back. All right. So here's my outfit number 2. I love it so much. It is the Gershon Bram skirt in the army color, which is so beautiful. Also, it's very cozy, which is very important for me. So again, I have the Lousje Bean leggings on, so those are going to carry me through. I brought 2 pairs. And then I have on the turtleneck from Ozai and Co, which I'm loving. I love this look. But I picked this skirt because I know it's going to be chilly out there, and it's just like a warm fuzzy blanket, but I feel really stylish in it. So of course I'm always going to have a Love's Pure Light. I am not, I don't have as many as Lousje has, but I definitely have probably 5 now. I have 5. But I find this one, this is the red shoes, and I find it's very muted. It goes with everything. So I have on these polka dots, which are a little bit, hard to match up. You don't want anything too crazy. But this one, honestly, it works. So there is my Love's Pure Light that you can see matches it so well. So we'll be doing a little bit of sightseeing and then going to a distillery in the afternoon. It's actually the only single malt distillery in Canada. So my partner's really excited to go and do that. And then that will take us into dinner as well, which I feel like this outfit could do that whole day. Also about shoes for this trip, I am just bringing my Blundstones. They go with every outfit, and they'll be great. They'll be great for hiking too when we go on the Cabot Trail. So I feel like I'm covered if I just bring the 1 pair of shoes. I'll show you my little surprise now, that some people are always like dumbfounded that I'm always traveling with this, but it is my pillow. I always have to have my own pillow. I find, even if you're staying in the nicest of hotels, it still doesn't matter. So no matter what, my pillow comes with me. It takes up a big space in my suitcase. The only other thing I brought was my UGG slippers. This is really important to me. If it was the summertime, I'd bring my flip-flops. But in the winter, I'm bringing the UGG slippers. I get really creeped out in hotels again, no matter how nice the hotel is. I don't like walking on the floor with my bare feet into the bathroom, especially. It's just a weird thing from me. Me and my mom traveled a lot to all the shows across Canada for years. And my main thing was actually when I traveled to these shows, I would bring a sheet, my pillow, and slippers, or flip-flops or slippers, because it's just a weird thing for me. I would wrap myself in the sheet. But anyways, I'm getting a little bit out of that, so it's just the pillow and the shoes now. But I'm also bringing, so of course I have all my Love's Pure Light in here. These travel bags are so beautiful. The silk bags that every scarf comes with when you purchase it. So these are actually, Kate got these for me, and these are all the ones from the East Coast. We have quite a few in the boutique, and I'm gonna take some special pictures out in the East Coast with these scarves, so that will be fun. And then, of course, our Lousje Bean sleeveys. I don't like to be cold. If I know it's gonna be damp over there because we're gonna be near the ocean, so it's really important for me to be cozy and warm no matter what we're doing. So I have these in here for on the days that we're going to be doing the Cabot Trail or in the evening. I think they're perfect, and they work so well as a nice little extra warm cover. I have our new hat set and scarf. These are so adorable. I'm going to show you a picture with my coat on. But these, we just got in, and we have also a striped set as well. This is the polka dot. This is the one that I put my name on when I ordered it, because as you know, I love polka dots. And this is, honestly, I should show you right now. It's so cute. I know, I think it's going to be about 10, between 10 and 14 every day. But again, by the ocean, I think I got to be prepared because I don't want to be cold at all. But how cute is this little set? And then for the days on the Cabot Trail, I have the trusted hoodie from Color Me Click. We got 3 new colors in. We have black, this beautiful cobalt, and then like a mustard. It's kind of like a golden color. But I thought this would be great. I can wear it with my Lulus or my leggings. I just bought 1 pair of Lululemons just for when we're hiking the trail. But this will be so nice and cozy for one of those days when we're doing all hiking. I have my bathing suit because there's a hot tub at one of the places, and I cannot wait to show you this place. It looks magical. I'm actually going to try and do a video from it because it's just, we just can't wait to land there. And I have my jeans that I can wear with my Ozai top one day as well. And then another outfit that I'll show you is, these are new in, this is the Semois ribbed knit scoop tops. This will be so nice and warm and cozy. And then I'm going to wear our Lousje Bean boxy sweater over top in black with the pencil skirt and the leggings. So I will show you that outfit. And then when going out for dinner, because there's a few nights that will be in Halifax, and I just brought this one Ziska. I think it's perfect. It's so beautiful, and it goes with everything, this color. And I love the little dainty. This is the mini heart. And it's so nice and light, and I can just dress up any outfit. Like this outfit I'm showing you now, it just dresses it up so nicely. It just has that added touch. These necklaces are so great as gifts as well. Don't forget about Christmas ladies. They're so sweet. I believe they're about $40 each. They're nice and light, and it's made by Ziska, and there's lots of different colors you can see. And the last thing I want to show you that I'm bringing that I can't wait for is we just got these in the boutique. We have 2 colorways. We have black with white polka dots and sort of like a cloudy white color with black polka dots. But it is the Pudis pajamas. So, oh my God, they're so scrumptious. This fabric is to die for. It's got like a little terry here, and it is so soft. It's a bamboo and tencel. So this is going to be so cozy in the cold evenings. And then I have a little robe to go over, which I like to have. It's so cute, the little set together. And then so my slippers tie into that. So that is what I am bringing. I also brought a little jacket. This is from Grisa's. This is from a few years ago. Again, the pencil skirt comes in handy. I love traveling with the pencil skirt, especially in the colder weather, because it's like a nice little warm blanket again over your legs. It's just that added little cover. But I know we don't have these anymore, but we do have some of the cut loose in black. This is the little asymmetrical cardi in black. This is also great with the pencil skirt, and it's got the great little detail in the back. So there's another little outfit that you could put together. All right, ladies, so that is a little bit about how I pack. I try to be very mindful of things that are gonna make me happy and cozy while I'm away from home. So for me, with this type of trip, because it is colder, like my slippers are important, my pajamas are important, the robe, and just a lot of warm things to layer, because I do get chilly, and I know, especially being by the ocean, it will be damp. And then with my jewelry, I'm very simplistic. I have 1 pair of earrings that I'm bringing, the Joanna Lovett Splash earrings. I feel like these go day to night. They are the best. They're easy. They're so light. And then I'm just bringing the 1 Ziska necklace just to, you know, give a little splash at night when we're going out. Another thing that I am bringing is my North Face vest, because like I said, we're going to be doing a lot of hiking on the trails there by the water. So I think it's going to be really cold. And then of course, there might be rain. So I am so excited to bring my Lousje Bean Clio coat in this beautiful color. We had this color before years ago, and we just brought it back for you lovelies who have been asking And in the boutique, we have this beautiful scarf that matches this very nicely. So I am going to bring this because it will be chilly. I can also wear it as a cape too over top. I love that if you're super cold and you can just bundle up even more. This color is so beautiful and it matches the jacket so perfectly. So I don't think I am gonna be cold at all. I think I'll be set. All right, so I think I'm ready to go. All right, ladies, well, wish me luck, and I'm definitely going to take a lot of pictures for you, so watch on our Instagram stories, and yeah, we'll see how it goes, and we'll do a Lousje out and about when I get back. Thanks.